Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to add payment method on Busha. Now, adding a payment method to your Busha account typically involves these steps. Now, all you need to do is access your Busha account through the mobile app or website. Look for payment methods, wallet, settings, or a similar section within your account. This is usually found in your profile or account management area. Now, find the option to add payment method, add bank account, add card, or something similar. Select the type of payment method you want to add, that is bank account, credit card, etc. Now, provide the required information such as bank account number and bank name for bank accounts, card number, expiry date, and CVV for credit cards. Ensure the information is accurate and up to date. Busha may require you to verify your payment method. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your bank account or card, completing a small test transaction. After entering and verifying your payment details, save the changes. You should receive a confirmation message or notification indicating that your payment method has been successfully added. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.